Ka School Managing Committee jong ka Saint Michael and All Angels Secondary School Jowai hakalaipo tarik risau kala Pynkut no ka jinglehkmen dap arpasan snam ni Silver Jubilee celebration ka jingyat lenti jong ka school hakaliang ka jingnang jingstan bat ka pule puthi ha kanika sngi ladon lang umad paya da u hil hun executive engineer PWD building West Giant Hills kum ukong san kiri orang ba kabalang kilong kumi long kpa kinong hikai bat ki kena school last dang ya kajing alang da kajing puli ya kaktian ublay da u Reverend El Kong Thorem kajing kren pediang buram na u Reverend DNNW Lingdo bat ka kana lingkot syapang kajing at lenti ka school na u mewat hi gat po headmaster ha kanika sngi la Pynkut buram miki arnut kinong hikai baningkong jong ka school bat kena school baningkong banya kun ya ka SSLC examination house nam arjar khatway ka Dr. Harshada Lamin MBBS MSMD obstetrician and gynecologist kum ka way naki kena school baningkong ha ka jingkran kalapan pau ka jing sngongo ya ki bor penyai ka school kinong hikai ki ba kala yo shibun ki jing hikai bat kala kit bok kit riang bakani ka school kanang kiyo na way usnam sha way pan Uma paya da o hil hoy Executive Engineer PWD ula ong ka jingat lenti ban kenjo sha uni umau mer ba arpasan snam dei ka jingat relang kumta ula kit bok kit riang ya ka school bahakis nam ban wan kan long ka shlam a jing hikai ka ban sei bat pen mi shibun ki khna ki bala ban ra nam ya ka school hakilyang ba pher kum ka dak ban pen sa jingkan mau ya ka jinglehkmen Silver Jubilee uma paya da o hil hoy ula pelat pat baru ya ka Silver Jubilee souvenir ya ka deka sngi la pun phu pun phieng da ki jingleh kai pun bernya kumju ki jingshat jingrwai bala shimbenta da ki khna ba no hikai
the very first batch in the year 1999. Though my time in the school started and ended very fast in the earliest years of my schooling, it was here where I first took my step into the world of learning. It is not only the first classroom, but the first place I learned the value of discipline, kindness, and curiosity, the values which I hold till today. My time in the school, though a short one, it is a very formative one. I have a fond memories of playing here as a kid, under the supervision of our caring teachers. The teachers and staff were instrumental in playing a role in my life in shaping my academic and my personal growth. Over the 25 years, the school have grown far beyond our expectations. From modest beginnings, it has flourished into an institution known for excellence, discipline, and overall development. Behind the remarkable journey stand the dedication and vision of our principal, the tireless commitment of our teachers, the school management committee, and the support of the parents and the community. The Silver Jubilee is not only a celebration of time, but it is a celebration of an impact. Over 25 years, the school has shaped responsible citizens, dreamers, and leaders contributing in numerous ways to the society. To the current students, you are a part of a proud legacy. The world you will step, it will be a vast and an ever-changing one.
Equality education, professing spiritual growth, intellectual and social responsibility. Its vision is to develop a well-rounded individual equipment to face the life challenges. As we look to the next 20 years, 25 years and beyond, they have committed, they continue our literacy of academic excellence, embracing technology, advancement and innovative technique method in today's life, nurturing and capture of inclusively diversity and social responsibility. These are the visions and missions of the school. So here I would like to highlight some achievements of the school during the past 25 years. It is this year that the door has opened for the SSLC examinations up till now. So in the year 2012, 2013, 2018, 2023, 2024, and 2025, our school got the 10% percentage in a secondary school leaving certificate, which the help of which they dedicated and the hard work of the teacher this year, all of this year, which I've already mentioned that all of the students passed in the SSLC examination.
The competition is so high, so everybody needs to work hard. So from my side, I urge you to please work harder.
Kirem Quebec, what's up? You sing this one, what happily? You are your tongue, your tongue, yeah. Settle up for a tie with the midgy. The game, but got them got a story. Open up and say you got a story. The clock of Kuni, young Ida. Settle up for a tie with the midgy. The game, but got them got a story. Settle up for a tie with the midgy. The game, but got them got a story. Tempat kirana pisentiu iskun sedeng bat kimrat ya hati kinun kiriat ki bajeliu kisah ki bajrong wadut ki bajai jai rupa ki ai sono but you I know you know how no bin wonder you can see